I just wanted to point out that there was about 5 pounds of sand that came out of this thing once I opened it up. Also, the knee pads were pretty helpful. You got to get down here and look up, unless you can put this thing up on a lift. The knee pads are handy. And I guess it's interesting that there is some rust here, but we're in California, so there wasn't anything rusted all the way through. There was also a ton of stuff stuck up under the fender. So I've watched other people do this project and no one has addressed this fender. So currently the fender's just been cut off. I think I'm gonna weld it directly to the tubing that we put on, unless I can figure out some way to weld a tab on and put a bolt through it. But I just don't know if that's going to be possible. I also cut back the inner fender here, so this thing. I'm not sure if I should have left it a little bit longer. So I guess we'll see. But the fenders and inner fenders are pretty cheap, so I'm not too concerned. All right, check in later.